Years ago, I used to run Huskies and Malamutes, and I made up a couple dog sleighs. This is one of them. So it's comprised of the two components. One was the this unit here, which is made by a company called Rapp. It's old, man. It's called the Tarzan. Don't blame me for the name. And it's an ice sleigh. So what I did was I coupled this to a base, and it worked fantastic. Now what I'm going to use it for is for pulling behind me while I'm in the bush. You know, when I'm going camping in the wintertime and stuff. And it tracks really well. When I was running the dogs, one thing I noticed is that the back I had squared off on the runners. That's no good, because whenever I had to have the dogs back up, I'd get stuck, right? So I'm gonna round these runners off. It's freaking cold out, man. It's minus 10. Oh well, that's what makes winter winter. You know, believe it or not, a garbage can lid makes the makes an awesome tool for carving out my curve. Yep, it's gonna work. You know, even though it's minus 10 out, it's gorgeous, man. It's freaking gorgeous. It's a beautiful day. Made this unit up quite a while ago, so I'm just modifying it now. It works for what I want to do. Is it like a bridge? That's pretty freaking cool. was a little worried that this D-ring was going to be a problem, but it's not. I can still pole vault with it. So this is the best of both worlds, man. I can carry my sleigh, well, pull my sleigh, and have my walking staff with me. Beautiful. Ready to go. When you're traveling in the wintertime, it's pretty important to have all your gear with you. You can't necessarily always carry it on your back. I have several types of sleighs for outdoor work, but I think this one takes the cake. The other type I have is a tub sleigh, and it makes a lot of noise. This one doesn't make as much noise. So now with the rounded back, so the stern and the bow of this sleigh, front back, I've got that meshing there that I can put packs on. I got the place where I can stand for kick sledding, and a nice seat whenever I need it. It's amazing the tracks that you find out here in the bush. This here is wild turkey heading that way. There's at least 4 birds. You can see where they went up over that log. And then here, if I just swing carefully over, right beside my staff is deer track heading towards us. Yeah, the winter really paints a picture, man. It's amazing.